In today's video, we're taking a look at the Zodiac Super Seawolf GMT reference number Z09406. Let's start with the unboxing experience. This is a limited edition Zodiac Super Seawolf GMT automatic. As you can see, there's extra packaging right here with the gold exterior cardboard with an additional leaflet right here, gold leaflet with this watch, because this is a limited edition Super Seawolf GMT automatic. We have a pretty nice box right here with a nice pouch as well. Everything is made out of, I believe, cardboard material with this svelte interior that is protecting your watch. So overall, a pretty good unboxing experience for this mid-range Swiss automatic watch. In case you have been living under a rock, Zodiac's parent company, Fossil Group, has gone bankrupt, and all of the Zodiac watches are being liquidated at discount clothing or fashion stores here in North America. In the United States, I believe it's called Ross Dress for Less or TJ Maxx. Here in Canada, there's Marshalls as well as Winners. This watch in particular is going for $1,400 US in retail, or $1,900 in terms of Canadian dollars. But you can find it for as low as $150 in Ross Dress for Less, or about $500 in Winners here in Canada, 500 Canadian dollars, that is. So do not pay more than, I'd say, $500 for any new Zodiac that you see online. There's a lot of resellers that just buys these watches from TJ Maxx or Ross Dress for Less or Winners here in Canada and resells them for $1,000, telling you that, oh my God, this is like half price. But you can actually get it for like 25% of the manufacturer suggested retail price if you look hard enough in TJ Maxx, Winners, or Ross Dress for Less. At 500 Canadian dollars or like 200 to 300 US dollars, I believe this is a pretty good deal. So the Zodiac Super Seawolf families have a 40 millimeters in terms of case size, around 47 millimeters in terms of the lug-to-lug dimension, and 13 millimeters in terms of thickness with a 20 millimeter lug width. This watch is powered by the Swiss Soprod C125, which is similar to an ETA 2893-2, but is actually based on a Seiko 4L25 from what I can gather online. This is a automatic GMT movement. It is a collar type GMT, which means that you can change the date with a quick set and change the GMT hand right here. It is not a flyer type GMT like some other watches that you can find out there, which is a pretty good thing for, let's say, if you don't travel often, because you do get the quick set date. But if you were to travel and use this watch to change in between time zones, so let's say if you're going to Paris and then you're going to Tokyo afterwards, it's a little bit more tricky to set the watch because there's no quick set hour hand, but there is a quick set date and a quick set GMT hand for those of you that don't travel as much. Here on my 17 centimeter wrist, the watch wears pretty well, if not a little bit top heavy. I believe that the GMT mechanism just makes this watch a little bit thicker compared to its non-GMT variant. It's a very comfortable experience. This bracelet is pretty comfortable. It's very similar to Tudor's rivet bracelet, but without the rivets. There are 4 positions of micro adjustments on this clasp right here, and really allows me to get a nice fit. The bracelet tapers from 20 millimeter all the way to, I believe, 16 millimeter right here at the clasp. So it's a very comfortable taper for this watch. Again, if you have a TJ Maxx or a Ross Dress for Less or a Winners close to where you live, I would go and take a look to see if you can find one of these Zodiac watches for a significant discount compared to MSRP. I believe for, like, let's say a couple $100, this Swiss automatic is a pretty good deal. Definitely do not pay more than $1,000 or the $2,000 retail that Zodiac charges for this watch. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Apologies for the lack of uploads these days. I just came off of a terrible cold and lost completely my voice. My voice is finally back, so expect more videos, so subscribe for more videos. If you like this type of content, do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video.